Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the GemEView electric milk frother. You can get this product on Amazon for about $36. Check out the link in the description. The milk frother comes with one whisk for heating and one whisk for frothing. Inside the frother you will find markings for frothing and the minimum and maximum liquid level. First I try the frothing and heating function with almond milk. The manufacturer recommends using whole milk for the best results. The milk frother is very easy to use and is really quiet. Even without using whole milk, it's a really nice froth. Now I change the whisk and try the heating function with just a small amount of froth. And I also use almond milk instead of whole milk. The milk is warm and I also have a small amount of froth for my coffee. Now I try the frothing cold milk function, also with almond milk. I only use a small amount of milk, so I will just get a little bit of froth for my coffee. The cold froth looks really good even without using whole milk. I tested the milk frother for about a week and I think it's a great product. I always get a very nice froth and it's also very easy to clean. So if you are looking for a not so expensive but good quality milk frother, I would recommend the GemEView electric milk frother. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.